How to paint a wall for beginners. As a beginner myself, I'm sharing my experience to hopefully help with your DIY project. So the first thing I did here is to clean the wall. You want to make sure that foreign objects or dirt are removed before you start painting. I used a broom to do this, but you can also use a piece of cloth if you prefer. The next thing I did is to tape the edges. This helps ensure that I'm only painting where I'm supposed to. In this case, I want to paint the wall blue, but keep the left white. You also want to put some newspaper at the bottom so that when you paint and if ever there's some drip, it doesn't stain the floor. Congratulations, you're done with the first part, which is preparation. My advice is for you to take your time in preparing the wall. There's no need to rush. You can take a break or continue tomorrow. That's fine. It's your wall. What's important is that when you actually start to paint, there's no hiccups. So now it's finally time to paint, and I'm starting with the edges. To be honest, I'm not sure if professionals do this, but my reason here is I'm not good at using a roller. I think I'm bound to miss some spots. So to prevent that, I'm going to use a tiny brush to paint the areas where I might miss with the roller. We finally reached the part of actually painting the wall. Typically, you want to do 2 to 3 coats, but for this wall, I just did 2. I don't have any tips of how to do it. I just go up and down. However, there's actually a proper way of doing it called the W method, but as a first-timer beginner, I thought I'd just paint my wall and have fun. Before you apply a second coat, it is best to wait for at least 4 hours for the wall to dry. Remember, painting is a skill and practice makes perfect. Just keep on going and don't put too much pressure on yourself. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and I hope your wall turns out great.